Hi, welcome to this ebuilding tutorial. In this video we'll show you the point cloud features. One of the most powerful features of ebuilding is that it allows you to view the point cloud of your matterport model. If your model was realized with a BLK360 or Pro 2 3D camera, you can request a file bundle from Matterport where you can find your file containing the point cloud. The file will have a XYZ extension, but if you have produced your 3D model with other technologies, you can have other file extensions such as LIS, LIZ or E57. So let's see how to visualize the point cloud of your model. When you open a unit, you can see the point cloud section under My Models. Click on it and then click on New. A window will open. Here you have to insert the title and, if you want, an alt title. Now you can upload your XYZ file. As you can see, the other accepted formats are LIS, LIZ and E57. If your file is too big, you can also upload a zip format too in order to speed up the transfer. Once you have uploaded the file, click on Send. Now the system has taken care of your request, and in a few hours it will allow you to view the point cloud of your model. You will be notified via mail as soon as it becomes available. Once the point cloud is available, you can see it in the point cloud section. If you click on it, it will be open. Now you can use it to perform precision measurements on the model and reverse engineering operations. First of all, you can choose the resolution of the point cloud and the scale. You can activate the eye dome lighting visualization, and choose the background. In the section box, you can also do sections of the building. You can obtain coordinates of a given point, make precision measurements based on distance and angles, and many other features. With the point cloud and all its features, you can truly extend your Matterport experience.